Okay, this is the fix for Snap users. So if you're not able to start your Snap store or you're not able to start your VLC player, you can do the same thing. I'm showing it to you on the screen.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only.
Okay, so first of all, in the errors, let's read it. So you can see that cannot locate the paste app core 22. No such file or directory. And I tried to run the VLC, and here we can see core 18 is missing. So what we can do is we can remove both of the cores and we will try to reinstall those. So as you know, in Linux, if you want to remove anything, you have to use purge command. Okay. So this is exactly same we have done for our client. And if you want to be part of our private group and need our services, you can join us on the given link in the description. Okay. So let's fix it. So I'm not going to fix Snap Store first. So first we will fix VLC. So VLC is already there if I show it to you, but we are not able to open it. So let's fix it. And the problem causing core is core 18. So just remove it. And now reinstall the core. Okay, it can take some time as compared to it has taken time to remove. Okay, now let's start VLC. And here you can see VLC has been started. Okay, same thing we can do with Snap Store. So in here the problem causing code is core 22. So let's remove it. Okay, now let's try to install the Snap Store. Great. And Snap Store has been opened. Okay, you can also face these situations when by mistake you delete some snap files in the root directory. So let me show it to you. So do not mess with these files until unless you know about these. Okay, so this was it for the day. I hope you liked it.